Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unplug the console and remove all external cables so you isolate power versus accessory issues. Once done, check the power brick LED. Its pattern tells you if the brick is healthy. Make sure the wall outlet works by plugging in a lamp or phone charger. If you get power, swap to a known good Xbox power cable. These steps separate simple power failures from deeper hardware faults and set you up for safe troubleshooting. Now perform a hard reset. Hold the Xbox button on the console for 10 seconds to force a shutdown. This clears hung firmware. After it's off, unplug the power and wait 5 minutes. Press the power button once while unplugged to drain remaining charge from capacitors. This power cycle often resolves boot loops or failed starts caused by firmware hangs or stuck power states. When you reconnect everything, press the power button once and observe the behavior to decide the next step. If the console still won't power, swap in a known good power supply or try a different socket. That isolates a faulty brick. If the unit powers but fails to load, use the Xbox offline system update or a factory reset via USB to repair corrupted system files. This addresses OS-level failures. Lastly, if none of these work, document the behaviors and contact Microsoft support or a qualified repair shop. Board-level faults and failed power regulators require.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.